Hello everyone and welcome to Creating Cash Courses, Module 1, Introduction to Online Marketing. It seems strange to start out with online marketing as an introduction, but this will be one of the most important modules in this entire course because the information you learn here will set up the rest of the course and build a strong foundation for you to build upon. This is important, need-to-know information in order for you to be successful. It is highly recommended that you take notes. Question: what does it take to make money online? When you think of the many different ways people claim to make money online, whether it's affiliate marketing or MLM or any other biz op, nuts and bolts, what does it really take to make money online? First, it takes a product to sell, and it can be a physical item, whether it's books or electronics or games. It can be a service such as a repair service, financial service, or job placement service, or it can be information such as consultation, blog posts, and news. All products tend to fall into one of those three categories. How you deliver that product, whether it's digital or physical, doesn't matter as long as you have a product of value to sell. The second thing it requires is traffic. Now, traffic is nothing more than a steady flow of people who may be interested in what you have to offer. Sources of traffic include search engines, social media, and more. There is a whole module on traffic, so we'll get into this in more detail a bit later. The third thing that it requires is a system. Now, a system is the engine that drives your business. It's where you send your traffic, where you capture your leads, and where you convert those leads to sales. A system is what facilitates your business, and they can be as simple or as complicated as you want them to be. But on the internet, a system has three basic components: a lead capture page, an autoresponder, and a sales page. A lead capture page typically has three components of its own. It's a presentation, usually an introduction video. It has an offer or something of value that the person might be interested in. And it has a call to action where the person must enter their information in order to continue, such as their name and email address. An autoresponder is a crucial part of a system, and we'll talk about that in a moment. But first, the sales page is where the offer on the lead capture page is fulfilled, followed by an offer to purchase something else. There are many kinds of sales, such as upsales, cross sales, one-time only offers, and more. But the goal of a sales page is to convert your leads into sales. As a diagram, this is what it looks like. We call it a simple sales funnel. You start with marketing on the far left, and that creates traffic. You direct that traffic to a landing page or a lead capture page where people are given an offer and they opt in. From the lead capture page, after they opt in, they're taken to a sales page where you deliver on the offer you made on the lead capture page, and they get pitched to buy a product at the end of it. Now, in between the lead capture page and the sales page, what happens behind the scenes is that their information is added to an autoresponder, which is basically called list building. It builds your list automatically. Now, here's a question: why systems? In a nutshell, systems are an efficient way to save time, energy, and money. For example, when someone wanted to make money online when the internet first started, it was a pain and it was a hassle. It was time consuming because you had to sit for hours to build a website, get everything set up, and manually do all of the things in between, or it cost you an arm and a leg to hire a professional to do it. But now we have systems in place and we don't have to do all of that anymore. We have website creation systems where you can simply fill out a form, pick your images, click a few buttons, and you have a website ready to go. There used to be a long technical setup process that took days for a website to go live, but now a lot of systems give you a website that's already live and ready for business. And instead of emailing every person manually by clicking reply, then copy and pasting a message, we have a system in place that's very important to your success. It's called an autoresponder. Question: what is an autoresponder? After a person enters their information on your lead capture page, they're taken to your sales page, but behind the scenes, their information is added to a list. This allows you to automatically follow up with everyone who was interested in your product. Let's say that after someone gives you their information, you wanted to introduce yourself, thank the person, and make sure they had a link back to the sales page. The old way was to have that information come to your email address, then you would reply to that email with a pre-written email, copying and pasting and pressing send for each person. With an autoresponder, you write that email only once and it gets sent automatically, and you don't have to do anything else after that. But this is just the beginning. Have you heard the expression, the money is in the list? It's a statement that expresses how important having a list is to your financial success. First, understand that not everyone will buy from you the first time they see your offer. In fact, research shows that a person may need to see an offer up to 7 times before they make a buying decision. This means that you will have to continually reach out and keep that person engaged. It's very likely that you will run a great promotion, get a lot of leads, and only get a few sales. So if you don't have a way to follow up with them, what happens to all of the people who were initially interested but didn't make a buying decision? They'd be lost. Having an autoresponder allows you to create a series of messages that will be sent to subscribers automatically. It gives you the opportunity to keep the person engaged and put them back into the sales funnel. The second major thing a list does is create repeat business. Your easiest sale will often be a previous or an existing customer. Think about it. You've already built trust with them, there is already a rapport built, and they've already committed to spending money with you at least once before. How powerful would it be if you had access to a list of people who are interested in what you have to offer and you know already spends money on what you're offering? This is where you can make a lot of money selling other products you have or earn commission selling products and more. There are many ways to utilize your list, and a good list is so powerful that others will seek you out for joint ventures. The ultimate list, however, is a membership, which we will cover in the next module. But first, here's a quick recap. What does it take to make money online? It takes a product to sell, traffic, and having a system in place to facilitate your business. Why is a system important? A system is important in that it saves you time, energy, and money. Its goal is to capture leads from the traffic you create, build your list passively, and convert those leads into sales. And what does a simple system require? It requires a lead capture page, a list, and a sales page. And what is your goal as a marketer? Your goal as a marketer is to create traffic, capture leads, convert to sales. Create, capture, convert. It's called the 3 C's of marketing. Here's an important reminder. Information is valuable. While your job as a marketer is the 3 C's of marketing, your role as an entrepreneur is to create value. This is the end of Module 1. I hope you have enjoyed me introducing you to online marketing. I hope you were able to take some decent notes, that you've learned a lot, and I look forward to seeing you in the next module.